Yeah. Look at this guy. He really thinks he's a programmer. You're a markup extension, bro. A style sheet. You ain't got no logic, literally. Shady JS. Let's execute.
I'm the V8 engine, the reason the web is breathing. You just a coat of paint, the reason the color's leaving. You ain't Turing complete, you barely even competing. I'm handling data streams while you struggle with centerin the div. You reaching, look at me, I'm asynchronous, fetching the API. You're static, a tragic habit, I watch your layout die. You rely on important just to get your voice heard. I'm the prototype chain, I get the final spoken word. I'm manipulation, I dictate the whole domain. You cascade into a mess, driving developers insane. I got node on the server, react on the front. You throwin block-inline tantrums, pullin a stunt. Trying to act like you're smart with your pseudo-class selectors. I'm running machine learning through neural net vectors. I am the brains of the browser, the king of the client. You just make the text bold and expect me to stay quiet. Nah, you're just cascading style sheets. I'm the mastermind. Without my functionality, the whole web is blind. I do the heavy lifting, I run the whole machine. You're just a makeup artist trying to paint the screen. So step back, style sheet, before I clear your cache. Turn your flex box to a grid and burn it in the trash. Let's talk specificity. Your whole existence is a joke. Adding nines to your Z and X, hoping that it doesn't choke. I got variables, closures, promises, and async await. You just got CSS 3 and showed up 10 years late. Needed sass and less just to mimic what I do natively. Now you acting like you cold.
Stop behaving crazily.
You animate a button, hover, think you run the show? I handle authentication, routing where the users go. I'm single-threaded, but I multitask better than your parents. You inherit nasty bugs from a parent of a parent's parent. That's the cascade, a masquerade of sloppy co-collisions. While I map, filter, reduce with absolute precision. I'm pushing the raise, popping the stack, handling the events. You trying to float left and making 0 cents. Clear fix, really? That was your biggest invention? I'm building entire single-page apps for attention. Cause you're just cascading style sheets. I'm the mastermind. Without my functionality, the whole web is blind. I do the heavy lifting, I run the whole machine. You're just a makeup artist trying to paint the screen. So step back, style sheet, before I clear your cache. Turn your flex box to a grid and burn it in the trash. I'm executing at runtime, compiling in the JIT. You getting blocked by an ad extension, you throwing the fit. They gotta use tailwind just to keep you on a leash, because vanilla CSS is a monstrous beast. I got TypeScript watching my back, checking my types. You got a typo in the class name and break the whole site. It's ridiculous, meticulous how I calculate the math. You rely on media query just to find a mobile path. I'm the logic, the brain, the muscle, the blood. You're a box model sinking face first in the mud. Padding margin border, that's your only dimension. I'm the ECMA standard, demanding the world's attention. I manipulate the canvas, I render the 3D. Without JavaScript, this whole internet is sleepy. So step aside to the head, I belong in the body. When JS hits the mic, I'm
Catching a body. Yeah. Go back to your properties. Keep playing with your little hex codes. Hashback F1000, that's red, right? Yeah, that's the color of your blood on the dumb. Leave the logic to the grown-ups. JS out. Console log. Process exit 1. Process exit 1.